To access the Events Management area, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on People, and then select Events. The Events dashboard provides a clear overview of all your organization's activities. You can view your schedule using the monthly calendar view or toggle between the upcoming and past tabs to see events displayed as a list. To schedule something new, click the New Event button in the top right. A modal will appear where you can define the event details. Start by giving your event a name. Then select the event type, such as online, hybrid, or in person, and choose the target audience, like instructors or learners. Next, set your start and end dates and times, and ensure the correct time zone is selected. For online events, paste your meeting URL into the Join link field. Finally, add a clear description or agenda and click Create Event. Your new event is immediately added to the calendar. If you need to modify an event, simply click on it directly within the calendar view. To manage participant lists, switch over to the Upcoming tab. Click the three-dot menu on any event card and select View Attendees. This brings up a detailed list of all users registered for that specific session. You can also edit events directly from this list view. Click the three-dot menu, select Edit, update the required fields, like adjusting dates or adding missing links, and save your changes. If you need to cancel and remove an event, open the three-dot menu and select Delete. Because this action is permanent, a confirmation window will appear. To proceed, copy the exact event name, paste it into the confirmation box, and click Delete Event. The event will instantly be removed from your system and calendar.